Lingportal Online School presents
Modals, Deducting about the present. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to make guesses about the present using modal verbs like must, might, could and can't. To help you understand how they work, we'll follow Anna through her day and try to work out what's going on. Let's begin. It's 6 a.m. The sun is up, but Anna's curtains are still closed. There's no noise. Everything is completely quiet. She must be sleeping. We're almost sure, so we use must. Why? Because it's early. Her curtains are closed and we don't hear anything. So her sleeping is the most logical explanation. Now it's 9:30. She is sitting at the table. Her laptop is open and there's a fresh cup of coffee. She must be working. Why? The laptop and coffee suggest she started her day. Everything looks like she's working. We're quite sure, so we use must. Possibility 90%. We use must to say that we are sure something is true in the present. It expresses a logical conclusion based on the facts or what we know. But wait, she's not replying to messages or emails. She might be in a meeting. Why? We're not sure. We don't know exactly. A meeting is just one possibility, so we use might. It's a likely reason based on the situation. She could also be focused on something important. Why? Again, we don't know exactly. It's just a guess. It's another possible explanation, but slightly less direct. So we say could. We often use might when something is a strong possibility. We use could when we're offering another, more general guess. Possibility 50%. Suddenly, loud music starts playing in her room. She can't be working now. Why? It's a logical conclusion. Working with music that loud doesn't make sense. It's very unlikely. So we use can't to show we're sure it's not true. It's lunchtime. A pizza box is outside Anna's door. She ordered food. She must be hungry. Why? She ordered pizza. We're sure she was hungry. We're confident, so we say must. But no one answers the door. She might be sleeping. Why? That's one possible reason she didn't open. Might suggests a more likely reason. Maybe she's tired and it's a quiet time. She could be in the shower. Why? That's another more general possible explanation, but it feels more like an alternative or slightly less certain guess. In many cases, might and could are interchangeable, but might is often used when something seems more probable. Now pause the video. Take a closer look at the summary table to help memorize the use of must, might, could, and can't. It's also a good idea to write down the table so you can keep it to hand whenever you need it as a reference. Mini quiz. Let's try a few quick ones. What's the best modal? Anna isn't replying. She might be busy. She's not answering the office phone. She could be outside. It's completely dark in her room. She can't be awake. Great work! Now you know how to use modal verbs to make smart guesses about the present. Use must when you're nearly sure. Use might or could when you're unsure. Use can't when you're sure it's not true. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your English. See you soon!